This tutorial covers how to create a gorgeous engagement ring with 3 main stones set on a cathedral shank with side stones. With this tutorial, you will learn how to design and render 3 stone rings from scratch, all using 2Shapes for Rhino. Under the Shanks tab, click on the Cathedral command. Select the standard element CA001 and click on the Edit Element button. Click on the Profile preview, and in the Asset Selector dialog, select Asset 084. Change the top width to 2.5 and bottom width to 2. In Cathedral Shank parameters, set width to 9, height to 1, and angle to 130. On bridge parameters, width to 2, thickness to 0.9, diameter to 2, and fillet to 0. In gems options, change gem size to 1.5 mm, angle to 80, inner width to 1.5, margin to 0.2, bright cut to 0. In prong settings, set the second option. Change gem inside to 0.05, prong height to 0.5, and prong diameter to 1. Confirm changes. Under the Gems tab, click on the Gems Creator command to open it. Next, select Cushion, Diamond, and set the carats value to 0.7. Once done, click on the Add button. Using the green arrow of the gumball, move it slightly above Cathedral Shanks Bridge. Click on the Gems Creator and set the parameters, round, diamond, and 0.1 carats. Then click on the Add button. In the front view, move the gem upward 11 mm, to the right 3.7 mm, and rotate it -25. Now, in the Transform tab, run the command mirror. Select the gem, type on the command console 0, and click on the left side. Next, click on the Cushion Diamond, and under the Gems tab, click on the Basket command. Then, select the standard element BA009 and click on Edit. Set mode to Circle, height to 4, and change to Straight Prongs mode. Click on Rails tab. On the upper profile, click on the Profile preview, select Asset 002. Do the same to the lower rail profile. Confirm changes. Next, select both secondary diamonds, and under the Gems tab, click on the Basket command. Then, select the standard element BA009 and click on Edit. Set mode to Circle, height to 3.6, and change to Straight Prongs mode. Click on Rails tab. On the upper profile, click on the Profile preview, select Asset 002. Do the same to the lower rail profile, change the gem size percentage to 39 in the lower rail. Confirm changes. Move your cursor to the lower right corner of the viewport and click on the shaded icon. Set your preferred angle and distance to render the model. Select the Cathedral Shank and Gem sets, and under the Render and Animation toolbar, inside the Materials section, and on the Metal category, click on White Gold 18K. Now, select Top Gems, and under the Gems category, click on the Aquamarine material. Select the Small Diamonds, and under the Gems category, click on Diamond. Under the Ground Materials, select Light Blue Basic Reflection. Move your cursor over the lower right corner of the viewport and click on the Ray Tracing icon. Finally, set the parameters you would like the render to be completed in, and click on the Render button. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find more information at 2shapes.com.